Afternoon, Xander. What do we say? What do we say? So Xander was so kind to put the water pump on already. So we got that taken care of. And we got the tires done. So that's all set. And now we're going to get ready to do the brakes. Yay! All of that. I think there's a double sensor at every single wheel. So this one's going to be kind of a short, just a quick update. Nice tires too, by the way. So we'll get everything taken care of. Now you guys got a really good look of everything. Yeah, that's that lip we were talking about. Yeah. But, okay, guys. Time to get back to work. God, I hate sinuses. Drive me crazy. But on that note, we're going to call it a short and good one. Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, we've got the driver's side wheel apart. Took the hub assembly off. Pulled all the bearings and seals out. We'll clean that up. New bearings, new seal, new pads, new sensors, new rotor with guide pins and pad holders. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. Will all be going in. I've already got the caliper compressed, so it shouldn't take much longer. It was a little bit of a nightmare to get. Let me grab a pair of pliers. One. To get this out, because there's part of it. And the bearing didn't want to let go, so we had to beat her out. Didn't have a choice on that one. So, yeah. But we'll get all the new parts in and get it all taken care of. I know this one's going to be kind of short, but I'll just do short, quick ones and keep you guys updated as much as I can. All right, we'll see you guys on the next wheel. And we're back again. Rotor's on, hub's rebuilt and put in. Sprayed down the rotor so it's nice and clean because it has a coating on it to stop it from rusting. So that, well, in transit to wherever it's going to, it doesn't get all nasty crappy. So you have to clean that up before you can put your brake pads on. So that's all done and taken care of. We got our locking bolt back in. I will put the caliper on in just a second, bolt that in place, slide the pads in place, put the guide pins and the new sensors, and this wheel will be done. Go into the lot, Carol Ann. Go into the lot.